In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Drush on your Ubuntu server. Drush is a command line interface that allows you to execute certain actions from the command line instead of having to navigate the Drupal using your browser. Such tasks include running cron, adding variables or setting variable values, adding and removing users, and also updating and creating nodes. We're now going to install Drush. So to start, you have to log into your server using the command line and then run sudo apt-get update. Then run sudo apt-get install Drush. And if asking for confirmation, press Y and hit enter to continue. Once Drush has completed, you can now go to a Drupal site that you have installed on your server, and so I will do that now. And if I do Drush status, it will print out a list of information about this particular site, including the Drupal version, the site URL, database, and other file locations and so forth. And you can also do Drush cron, and this will run cron on the site and any other maintenance activities that need to run. You can also use Drush in conjunction with cron tab to schedule recurring items to run, or to even run cron on a schedule. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like instant notifications, click the bell.